Hey guys, so tonight is our anniversary, 10 months together, and we are making ramen, like legit ramen. Last night we made a steak dinner, which was amazing, but Ryan was like, I'm really craving some ramen. I was like, okay. I found what looks like a really good recipe online. We even made some ramen eggs. They're marinating in the fridge right now, so let me show you where we're at. But this is definitely one of the more complicated recipes that me and Ryan have tried to cook together. You know when you like print a recipe and it's like normally like a page, maybe two? This one was 3 pages for the recipe for the ramen and 2 pages just for the eggs. So we're trying our best. Hopefully this turns out, because it has been a labor of love, hasn't it, honey?
Yes, it has.
Found some ramen and unpackaged it, so we are prepped and ready. So anyway, we got ramen going. So these green onions are for the like the ramen soup, like the liquid. These scallions are toppings. Sorry, it's messy. We are putting some mushrooms into it. A whole bunch of bok choy that we need to chop up and put into the dish. Oh, marinating chicken. Yeah, boy. That looks good. Piper wishing that there was more zucchini for her to eat. So, is there any more? Hey girl, look at her poor nose. There was a thunderstorm and she got scared and hurt her nose, poor thing. These are the ramen eggs that we are cooking up right now, or marinating up right now, excuse me. And we have radishes as a topping. I'm super excited. How about you?
Yeah, I hope this turns out, I hope it's good. I really do.
Me too, babe.
This is the best thing we've ever put in our mouths because it's a lot of effort.
It is, but labor of love, because I love you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and here is the final result. We have the ramen eggs, scallions. This is actually Trader Joe's Chili Onion Crunch. The chicken, which is a soy glazed chicken, bok choy, and radishes, and the noodles are down there somewhere, but wow, I'm actually so impressed that we even made this. Oh, taste test it. You do it first, baby.
All right.
How's it going?
Hold up.
Tell us. Tell the world, are we successful?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, a good thing? Oh, that slurp.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Was it mood?
Leave me in peace, babe. I'm good.
Okay. All right. All right. Bon appetit. Y'all, this was the best thing we've ever made together.
Yeah, by far.
It may have taken us 3 or 4 hours. Wait, what time is it? 9? Okay, we started at 6. 3 hours. But it was worth every second. And since it was our first time making it, I feel like we were a bit overwhelmed, so we're trying to like take it step by step. But my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Help. Help. I'm about to eat all 3 extra servings that I made. We made 6 servings because we're like, if it's this good, or if it ends up as good as we were hoping it was gonna end up, we want leftovers, so. Have you died and gone to heaven?
Pray to the ramen.
Look who came to join us for dinner. Of course, she's always here too. Look at that waggy tail.
The cutest.
She's like, you want to give me a belly rub? Daddy says, sure, I will give you a belly rub. Oh, full on snuggles, Piper. Daddy snuggles. Oh, what a good guy. He loves you. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this, but our girl is now obsessed with being outside, and her skin has gotten very dark and very tan. The tannest.
No more pink belly. No more pink belly.
So that was the most satisfying dinner ever. Yeah.
Huzzah!
Huzzah! Piper and Handsome are just mad that they were not involved. Right? Oh, I love our living room. Ignore the blankets on the couch. This is our brand new couch. We'll give you a better view of it soon. Or if I haven't already. Messy kitchen after cooking. Are you thirsty? Alright guys, well it's our 10-month anniversary, but I just wanted to show you guys what we were cooking. So we're gonna go enjoy the rest of our night together, and I hope you enjoyed watching the little ending process of our intense ramen journey. I cannot believe we spent 3 hours, but look how much leftovers we have. We have tons of leftover noodles, broth, bok choy. We got the, oh that's the chicken. And then all the other toppings and whatnot are in the fridge already. Bless. Living our best ramen lives. All right, honey, what do you want to do now?
Food coma.
Food coma? Maybe a little Community?
Yeah.
If you guys haven't seen the show Community on Netflix, you're missing out. Go watch it. Unless you're a Zoomer, then you might not like it. It's very millennial humor in my opinion, so.
Darn.
Darn. We're just getting too old now, aren't we? Aren't we? 26 and 27 and thriving, I would say. But I guess it's up to opinions. I love you.
Love you too. At least we don't live in our mom's basement.
I know. Those Gen Zers may have a lot to say about my side part and your obsession with SpongeBob, but we pay our own bills, little Gen Zers. You just wait. Have fun.
Have fun.